Are you looking for the best 3D printer under $500? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer under $500 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Official Creality Ender 3 Pro. The official Creality Ender 3 Pro is a popular 3D printer known for its affordability, user-friendly features, and reliable performance. It comes equipped with several key functionalities that make it a practical choice for both beginners and experienced 3D printing enthusiasts. One notable feature of the Ender 3 Pro is its removable build surface plate. This build surface provides protection to the 3D printer's bed and ensures a consistent temperature distribution during the printing process. Additionally, it facilitates easy removal of printed models once they have cooled down, simplifying the post-printing process. The printer is equipped with a safe power supply, which is branded and designed to protect the machine from unexpected power surges. This power supply also enables the printer's hotbed to heat up to 110 in just 5 minutes, reducing waiting times and enhancing overall printing efficiency. Number 2. Creality 3D Printers CR M4. The Creality 3D Printers CR M4 is a quasi-industrial large-format 3D printer designed to offer a spacious build volume of 450 x 70 mm, allowing users to create larger and more complex models with minimal or no post-processing requirements. This feature saves significant time and effort for users while enhancing their creative possibilities. Moreover, the ability to batch print multiple parts at once increases efficiency and productivity, making it well-suited for prototyping and small production runs. One of the standout features of the CR M4 is its precise and reliable dual Y-axis linear rails. The CNC machined linear guides made of bearing steel provide exceptional stability and support for the Y-axis, boasting a substantial load capacity of 30 kilograms. With a powerful motor, the CR M4 can handle continuous stress for extended periods, offering reliable performance over extended printing sessions. The rigid Z-axis, reinforced by 2 support bars forming a triangle, enhances the upper frame's stability and ensures more precise movement of the axis. The all-metal, Sprite, direct dual-gear extruder developed by Creality for the CR M4 is another highlight of the printer. This extruder design enables smooth filament feeding and discharging with a high thrust of up to 80 N, making it particularly suitable for printing high-precision models. Additionally, the extruder can handle flexible filaments like TPU, making it versatile for various printing needs. Number 3. ELEGOO Resin 3D Printer. The ELEGOO Resin 3D printer, specifically the Mars 3 model, is a cutting-edge desktop MSLA, mask stereolithography, 3D printer that boasts higher resolution and output capabilities compared to its predecessor, the Mars 2. One of its standout features is the use of a 6.66 inches mono LCD with Ultra 4K HD resolution, offering a 30% higher XY resolution at 35 micrometers and a 37% larger build volume than the Mars 2. This results in remarkably detailed and precise 3D prints, making it a top choice for users who demand super high precision in their projects. With the Release Film 2.0 technology, the Mars 3 provides a gentler release tension, ensuring that small and thin supports added to the 3D models are better protected during the printing process. This enhancement contributes to a significantly improved success rate when printing models with intricate details, further solidifying the printer's reputation for achieving impressive results. The ELEGOO Mars 3 is equipped with an upgraded light source that utilizes 36 highly integrated LED lights, accompanied by a brand new cob lens featuring a free-form surface. This innovative design achieves over 90% uniformity of UV light illumination, elevating the printing accuracy to a new level. The enhanced light source plays a crucial role in producing finely detailed and accurate 3D prints. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Resin 3D Printer. The ANYCUBIC Resin 3D printer, specifically the Photon Mono 4K model, is an advanced and feature-rich 3D printer designed to deliver high-quality prints with remarkable efficiency. One of its standout features is its industry-leading 7% light transmittance, which significantly accelerates the printing curing speed. With a single layer exposure curing time as low as 1.5 seconds, this printer can achieve a printing speed of up to 50 mm/h, saving users half the time compared to ordinary resin 3D printers. This speedy performance allows users to obtain their models much faster. The key to its superior resolution is the 4K monochrome LCD screen it utilizes. With an impressive resolution of 3840 x 2400, the Photon Mono 4K produces sharp and highly detailed models. The adoption of a high-contrast monochrome screen with a ratio of more than 3:1 ensures that the exposed image area shows clear details, resulting in higher printing quality. Another advantage of the ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4K is its large 6.23-inch LCD screen, providing a maximum print volume of 6.5 x 5.2 x 3.1 inches. The monochrome screen's longevity is 4 times greater than traditional RGB LCD screens, making it a durable choice for extended use. To safeguard the screen, a replaceable scratch-resistant film is installed, along with an additional protective film. Number 5. Official Creality Ender 3 Pro. The official Creality Ender 3 Pro is a 3D printer designed to provide users with an accessible and efficient 3D printing experience. One of its notable features is the removable build surface plate, which offers comprehensive protection to the printer's build plate and ensures consistent temperature distribution across the build surface. This feature also facilitates easy removal of printed models after they have cooled down, making the post-printing process more convenient. Another important aspect of the Ender 3 Pro is its safe power supply, which includes a branded power supply unit. This power supply offers protection against unexpected power surges, minimizing the risk of damage to the printer during operation. Additionally, it can rapidly heat the hotbed to a maximum temperature of 110 in just 5 minutes, reducing the waiting time for the printer to reach the desired temperature. The Resume print function is a valuable feature that sets the Ender 3 Pro apart. In the event of an unexpected power outage, the printer is capable of resuming the printing process from the exact point where it left off. This function helps to prevent print failures and material wastage, ensuring a smoother and more reliable 3D printing experience.